So for whatever reason, I'm gonna make this lame video about the differences, I guess, in the feel and the weight of a few known metal cards against the Apple Card. So I have, let's see, I have here the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and this one is 13 grams. It weighs 13 grams. And it feels like any other premium metal card. Nice and heavy, has a little bit of weight to it. I have the Amex Express Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant card, and this one's a little heavier at 15 grams. And the Apple card is also 15 grams. But they feel different because I guess the metal cards have like a little metal sheet inside, and then they're covered in like a plastic, and that's what has all the writing on it. I'm not sure if the Apple card has the same thing, but it sounds more metallic. And here, I'll let you hear the sound, and that's really the only thing I have to compare them. So let's see. Chase Sapphire Reserve, Bonvoy Brilliant, Apple card. One more time. That sounds like a solid piece of metal. So yeah, there you go.